Hi Jaswant, can you tell us about yourself?
Hi, I am Jashwant. I am currently pursuing Bachelor Engineering final year at Engineering College. So I got selected as an internship in Winfomi technology through the campus interview. I have around of 6 months of experience so far. Currently, I am doing a real-time project instead of theoretical tasks. I mainly worked on an AI applications like RAG, LLM, Python, and also Cursor AI. And I have a exposure to the Salesforce project also.
Hi Mira, share us about your office vibe.
Our office vibe is really positive and welcoming. From the day one, I felt very comfortable because everyone in this company are most friendly and easy to approach. And also seniors are always ready to guide, and that makes us learn easier. We also have fun activities that make us to work more enjoyable. There is also carom room which we can play carom and chit chat and relax together as a team. Overall, it is a balanced environment and good to grow professionally.
Jaswant, can you share your project experience with us?
So working on a live project helped me to understanding the real-time challenges and solve them practically. With the continuous support from our mentor, they shared some real-time experience and how to solving the real-time problems. So it will help to improving my technical skills and the professional skills also.